Right, I would say Yama Obibia Kwaba from my channel so we say Yamia Mobia Hoye. Now another Yantia Sempa said call all the social media and a DL Charles Kodofusi Daddy number. And no it is on Siapo na another pay and able to just say Odaya one sorry. It details and more. The radio station there feel DLFM. Serwaa Amihere Wakobeki into young corner. You could details about Charles Kodofusi, Daddy Lumba, New Wono, a Hons and Sam. Until you say a idea, a yard of subscribe. You better say, subscribe it, now I like it, now the comment, and so but now I share. That page, and so I may afiadomo, aquadomo, Nedia, a yard of awesome, and the buy.
But yes, the rumors are true that Lumba passed on earlier this morning at the hospital after a very short illness.
Mene, yes, sister, I Yedoba Prekope Ghana need a she concron. Renowned journalist,
DLFM 106.9.
DH1. Yeah, friend of Serwaa, Amihere. Serwaa, me more kwaba.
Yeah.
And you be say the boy, yeah, the 5 junior bats, a boy, and more quack me boy. It's here for Muti, yes, Ramon, and him say. Dodoana na no pay a tregun from a more a bomb petty will be a chena june Ghana de shekessie jumtunikessie and the Charles could you foresee your friend Daddy Lumba and eh intend I guess no so dear Yantia Sempa Yesu say Obi Kotokrasa dea ebusia and eh one more omokase womu and it's me bomodia, a pejemu ebekase ampa, say no cray, and then no cray, and every any mushimwa. Ye nante sieno, and chemo betse. Mene Mrs. Ebedin comocacra. Na near a woho. If we busian chain, if we lawyers and chain, that be. Serwaa. The more quabe beam the body from so name.
Yeah, yeah. And you know, it's actually my first time coming to the Daddy Lumba station and the studio. And it's just very unfortunate that I am coming here under these circumstances, you know. But the family of Daddy Lumba that we popularly know and call him, but officially called Charles Kodofusi, regrets to announce the passing of the legend. I have received so many calls.
Yeah.
I know that you have as well.
Exactly.
In fact, everyone has. But it is with deep regret and sorrow that we announce that our legend is gone. It's been a very tough moment for all of us, even before coming live to talk about this matter. But yes, the rumors are true that Lumba passed on earlier this morning at the hospital after a very short illness. And even though we understand the pain that this comes with, the family, the lawyer, and everyone associated with him will plead with the general public to give us some privacy as we mourn the loss of Daddy Lumba. It's not easy at all talking about it and even accepting it. A lot of us are in denial.
Exactly.
But unfortunately and sadly, you know, it has happened.
It's here for Muti DL 106.9. No Korean Yamini Papa. I bring na your bonny wuto and yene. And I dear wuto your born no. Senia, you see in ye. Confined by the family and the lawyer, that Lumba, you didn't come here on Katia as fast as it should be. Watu nananom ewo nsie do ene anopa mu. Na sene ase wa twa mu ye bone tofa o twa mu a. Ye dwumtuni kese Charles Kwadwofo so Daddy Lumba ye nyina ye nim no. Deal na dodo na so frɛ no. O dwumtuni kukudam. Ewo wiase. Sene sika ye no. Mreyo ba kakra say oyare kitua bi kakra bi. We make us a short illness. And then edna ko pina nanom e won se do a doctor for ye bia entimi anye ye ye di nkomo idie se ne ati ni bia no e no krese Charles Kwadwo Fusu Daddy Lumba odaya one sorry ene anopem nkomo ye di ebusuane lawyers asan ase ene abe confirm ama Ghana fo ene ewiase afa na nyina bebia news ni kodru ya sane ewuto ya bono emresantene mu a mfiri bebrebe apapa isi su ye na dwuma nti e ma dodo na no ye gidie enyina ye se entesa basese ye confirm ono ani station so e de amount DL 106.9 Serwaa Amihere ni chocho muncho ene nyina ne fie busiam efie ene lawyers etwetwe nkomo a yede ne yese fata say yede bread the public some sign betie no yede ababetudwa no nti yebema yina ya ho yakọ yama ya ho hyede Serwaa yama ya ho hyede Serwaa so yina intimi yesu sana yede akopi mo Serwaa kusa Busuya eye Charles Kwadwofo so busuya hyeden oyene ma ye mamo hyeden the fans of that Lumba ye ma ye ho hyeden the workers of the LFM the workers ahodo a etwa omam ha nyina ahia from Akwala production Lumba in super bebia Lumba nsam bia no ye ma ye ho hyeden Ghana man ye ma ye ho hyeden that Lumba due ni amani hunu say baby owo bia nyankopon de metu ni nsani faso ye bio Serwaa.
You know,
yeah,
I spoke with Daddy Lumba this week. And last week too, I spoke with him.
Last week too, yeah.
And he spoke with my dad, you know. And we have a lot of things that we have to do. Last year, actually, this year, February, we had a show.
Yeah.
And we were supposed to have that same show in December, on the 28th of December.
Okay.
And even beyond that, you know, he asked me to come and eat fufu at home. If I knew that he wasn't going to be here this weekend,
you'd have
I'd
joined.
have come that same day.
Yeah, that he asked you to come.
Yeah. But, you know, if we are feeling this way, I can only imagine. But this morning, you and I were being to the family. I am just praying for strength for his wife and his children.
Exactly.
His wife especially.
I know.
I can't imagine what she's going through, you know, but I pray for God's strength for her and every other person who is closely associated with Daddy Lumba. And in fact, for all of us who loved him, both far and near, it's going to be tough.
Very.
But we are hopeful, you know, and we're praying for strength. I think also that we should use the period to celebrate him, you know. Celebrate the good music that he gave us in the last 40 years.
Exactly.
And celebrate his life. I do not like that we are going to have to celebrate him at such a time, but for some of us, we have consistently celebrated him while he's alive,
You're
and
right.
that's the case for many Ghanaians as well. I will not even be in denial or say that they haven't.
Yeah.
But let's cry, but let's not cry too much.
Yeah.
Let's pray. Say nyame mfa ne kra nsie yi.
Exactly.
Na onchichi busiane re, especially ne yire ne mba no. Nti no, like I said earlier, the lawyer, no, from the statements that we have released, which is signed by the lawyer, Hadia Fati, they want us to respect the privacy of the family at this crucial time. And to everyone who supported Daddy Lumba, both far and near, every day when I go on TikTok, I see videos of people singing to Daddy Lumba's songs, and I show him how his songs from many years ago have just climbed up the charts. And we always have these conversations. These songs, Nana, you know, but I hear the songs and they still feel like they were just made yesterday. It's a very difficult time, but you know, we are very hopeful and we are praying to God for strength.
We're praying to God for strength coming from Serwaa Amihere. Send munim send etieno you go so I my own shedding kasa fidie so say OKayNews na is really confirmed now. Seems kind of busua and then a lawyer a day omonsa ashase and untina ya de and kaiboy kasi Abraham say that Lumba or dia one sorote ya and no crest or doubt because and the first time say what you say and untino say and the first time they are na or doubt ya with it and no great true say that Lumba or dia one sorry nyakopon koswa emfa kra in see yes and you see kano he needs to be celebrated. He needs to be celebrated, well celebrated. So I said, what do you say? Ni 61st moon okay, 61 years moon. Kenya me aduma 29th. The Lumba first. I'm the name. Penny for kase or no name. Yeah. You knew me a be it's your for and you have your form or so meaning Uncle Pontichin or Banner Nereno and then Manos and Usikano wanted Chomore Chomore Charles Kajofusu DL Daddy Lumba Ninyo mai Ninyo say. Egusu Nigerias. That your mouse on your day, Emperor. Then his sister say, what kind of yen celebrating no? Yeah, and share her day. But let's celebrate the legend, even whether he's alive or not. But as we speak now, he's not alive, but he's living. Pay the legacy he have left us. Kujaya de new be an bebo brato or bebo bra at their mammy no me, you know. Or find a young back one a yadimo de mouth. And I say, when your sanity, send a new baby also. Serwaa, then you might bow. Say, when to me, say, when to me. Yeah, but made it, many are no, as an show her dame. I don't know so by her with Jason. Yeah, but it's here. Not that they will show out of every done anymore.
You know, not or he even had a show in America.
We'll be quite friend for Ohio, so what to say on baby sir.
Daddy had a show in America and Canada. This was for just Inimenimi, and then like I told you earlier, the December show, and then there was Lumba Fest coming up as well. You know, Lumba Fest was launched a couple of weeks ago. Last year, you're celebrating the 60th birthday. You know, it was fun. You had everybody come out. Emma, this year, I can say we will find a bigger space
for him.
Because you know people love Daddy Lumba so much, and every day, I see it, and I appreciate the love every single day. And you know,
Ebeko se ya my ho sheden sa na say e share ho day be men so mema wo fie nyina isu because ade kese na toye ni no oh my Ghana wo damansa ko menye wo bia na ese damansa ko sama ye so amiti
And I from my interaction with the family and the lawyer, I think that it's important that I also say this, that, you know, we should be circumspect about the kind of information that we put out.
Exactly.
I know that there have been a lot of rumors on and the reason why to everyone listening that we couldn't confirm was because we truly couldn't confirm.
Exactly.
And obi frima eye nebusia ne wo say ebeka kire amansan say we frimo. And Daddy Lumba was not just any individual.
Not at all.
He you know, I want to say he's a legend, but he's no more. So, you know, I don't also want to say he was a legend because I spoke with the man just this week.
A few days ago.
You know, so I want us to respect the family's privacy. Any information that has to be put out, the family will make sure that they put it out, led by the lawyer. And so let's respect it and not put out false information or any information that we are not sure about. And if you call someone, na say ubisani bibi na we intimi ankai because the family at the appropriate time will designate the right people or person to speak to some of these issues. Intino, the most important information that we have to put out now is that unfortunately he died at the hospital. He was unwell. We wish that he didn't go. We wish that he would have stayed with us much more longer. But in all things, God says that we should not question him. So we will leave it as that.
But no questions.
You know, I have had a very close relationship with Daddy Lumba. He is an amazing soul, and I am not saying this because he is no more. I have consistently said it, that I have not felt any way about any musician or singer like the way I feel about that Lumba. He moved from becoming someone that I love his music to becoming like a father to me. You know, and consistently advising me and helping me. And bibi na so ne daddy kasa obeka se mam sewa hwema brabo mimi mpe kasa o intino debi ana mitimi baby sa debi asa no ka se mimi mpe kasa me hu se wo so mpe kasa eya men kasa me fio mo you know me to me nyuma na me ko baby. Last week when I spoke with him, with my father, no bibi sa me papa say Daddy Lumba oye young no send a note here. Because I really want to know
the young time, how he was behaving.
You know, because he didn't spend a lot of time in Ghana and he did a lot of time in Germany. A lot of people don't know, but they just know that this young man is so talented. He just released the song and everybody is jumping onto the song. And I have said it, I will always say it, that Daddy Lumba is the greatest musician to come out of this country, you know, and even beyond. The man is so good, so good. His songs speak to the soul. Whatever mood that I am in, I can listen to Daddy Lumba because he has a song for everything and every situation. And you know, it's a big blow, not just to me, but I know people who even probably love Lumba more than I do.
Maybe you are in the limelight.
Exactly, you know, but I see them. Daddy Lumba show, no, February, no. You see the passion with which people sing it. Nana.
All right then. Thank you. Is that what it is? I don't The volume no from kaka.
Me bacho timika.
Yeah. Yanko.
Intino. Me on my own nankasano menya messages bebree from nkofo omo peda di Lumba sem omo unim ene me obi be wonder the entire yenche black mpo na yede nam me te akra no me se me ndware ye mpo
I know
because speed am me di free me fie
continues no
e de call that di fie no
just to confirm.
I don't think I have driven that fast in my life because I didn't want to believe that it was true. You know, I didn't want to accept it.
Not at all.
It wasn't possible. And you know, I was actually even speaking with Nabil and I said, I am going there. Because when I called his wife, I said, Mom said, how they brave you?
Yeah. She wasn't talking.
She didn't talk. And
Nothing.
Me say, me brave you, say, I. And I'm fat, I just found something and then I wore me tikana me nam say no me let me just go. Me could do feel no. Hey, see what are you people saying? How? Intino obia opeda di Lumba sembia nana ubompaya man e yene ne mano.
Amen.
It is very important. I know that we all love him, but it cannot be beyond what the wife has for him and his children. So that's that should be our prayer for tonight at least,
right.
and the coming days, weeks and years. So God should just strengthen her and the children. You know, because that woman on her own is actually a very strong woman, very supportive of daddy. Say, if you are close to daddy, now say daddy can and want say
all of her.
You and your friend is Serwaa.
Yeah.
Ain't you know, me crampo me huna send your yemeno.
Yeah.
When you know, but God knows best.
God knows best.
Yeah.
Nabil. Yeah, Nabil Al-Hassan, Event Factory 4 CEO. Nanu yata and I call Valentine with that Lumba Love Night. I want to see on when you need that. When you not anymore, and they say, I know some years so or drive your APUUTOOTV and I said, or Nam had your befa ehana. Nabil, no funny, I've been you.
I sang with the ASFM.